Thina benkomebo Dokoso Shangani lapha ezinye zaziyo kufa ngomdlebe sinibingelele sinamukele kephi naphi la wethamele khona i1 KZN TV. Igama lami ke nguphiwe ngokwamthembo. Osunla namhlanje sibheka ke ukuthuthukiswa kwedolobha kumbe kwamadolobha akheleke umkhandlu iBig 5 Hlabisa. Nokuyilapho khona sizolalela ke imeya yalomkhandlu umhlonisha uComfort Khumalo okuyena ke azobe ke esichazela ke inhlelo ezikhona ezithinta ukuthuthukiswa kwalezi indawo kanjalo nezinto ezizingqinamba okuyizona ezimeke endleleni yokuthi kulethwe intuthuko kulamadolobha. Siyokuthola uma ngabe sithi ke abakhulume.
Ngiyafisa ukuveza highlighter into ye development yamadolobha okuhluhluwe nohlabisa. These two towns esifisa ukuthi zikwazi ukuthi develop. So i-development yethu inamadolobha esengashilo siyafisa ukuba ikwazi ukuthi zidevelop iy'ndawo zethu lapho sikhona. Ngifisa ukuqala phezulu kwahlabisa ngehle ngize ngizofika la ehluhluwe ukuthi what is our plan. Angubeke ukuthi why developer kuyi-concern kithi noma kuyinto eyi-priority. Kuyi-priority because uma udeveloper indawo kufika ama-investors azokwakha baningi abantu abasizakalayo. One, thina suke sibadayisele indawo ukuze sithole ama-rates. Bayasizakala abantu bakithi nge-income, bayasizakala abantu bakithi ngamathuba emisebenzi, bayasizakala abantu bakithi ngokuthola iy'tolo eduzayo. Yingakho uma ngabe sidayisa indawo siye sibeke imibandela ukuthi le ndawo sifuna kwakhiwa ukuthi ngakho-ke uma uthwele ufuna ukuyithenga ufuna i-workshop siyabonga, kepha sifuna i-mall lapha or whatever it is. Sidictate ukuthi yini esiyifunayo kuleyo ndawo. For instance, indawo elapha kwahlabise okwakuhalizona khona isimo isikhathi eside yenziwa umyeni group and developers banesikhathi eside lapha. But-ke into esilinde lapha silinde kwakhiwe iy'tolo ey'fana no-Shoprite nobani ezinye as main anchor tenant u-Shoprite silinde baqhubeke nokuqedela lo msebenzi. Bemiswe-ke isimo se-finance iy'mali, but currently udaba lwemali balungisile manje basithembisa ukuthi bazoqhubeka ngokukhulu ukushesha manje. Laphaya edolobheni kune-site esayidayisakho, sayidayisela ukuba kwakhiwe i-mall. I-company ebizwa Maphanga Trading bayadevelopa-ke laphaya. Izokwenziwa le ndawo kusekhona i-paperwork eyenziwakho abayilande lapho in terms of the protocol uma uzokwakha uzodevelopa indawo yakithi. Iyona lena ababhizi ngayo. As soon as iphela leyo process, then the actual construction izobe siyaqala. Ngiyafisa laphaya kunale shelter elapha kwahlabisa opposite i-post office. Zitolo leziya. Unfortunately, i-planning yabo was very poor. Ngesikhathi beyakha into eyenze kume leya process. Imiso ukuthi during construction abayishiyanga indawo yokuthi benze i-parking for offloading and loading as well as customers wabezothenga. Therefore yaphazamiseka leya process. Kodwa ayizukudemolishwa. The owner, the developer, is busy negotiating nomakhelwane abanama-site eduzane ukuze bamdayisele yona ayenze ibe parking for lo msebenzi wakho. Nayo siyilindele ukuba iqhubeke ukudala. Emva kwespa khona kwahlabisa usukhona umphelo, khona into eyakhiwe laphaya. Kumele kwakhiwe igarage. Wazama noma ukudayisa nje udizeli sathi hayi awukwazi ukudayisa kanjeni akuphele phela ungayenza umjonyo. So i-shelter ilapha isiphakeme. We are waiting for him ukuthi aqede lo msebenzi lowana akwazi ukuqhubela phambili kuzoba elinye lamagaraji alapha kwaHlabisa edolobheni lakithi. Elinye igaraji esilindele lizoba laphaya kwi-cycling elapha ngasesibhedlela nangomgwaqo obhekwa nongomu-Apsis 18. Nakhona silindele anala elinye igaraji lapha okumele lakhiwe. Then size la eHluhluwe. eHluhluwe khona ngasegaraji la opposite i-Total. Kunendawo enkulu evulayo laphaya silindele kwakhiwe i-mall. Kunento eziningi ezizoba laphaya. Nama-restaurant nokunye. I won't go more details ukuthi obani into ezizoba khona laphaya okwamanje. All I could say, ama-delays esikenawo enziwo Eskom, but ukudevelopa thina sifuna i-mall laphaya. Impela yena esingayo fanele ngabe sekukhona impela. Njengoba libona nje uma uphumela ngaphandle ubona ukuthi ubhizi kwenziwa lokuyana lokhuya kuyaclearishwa kwenziwa i-earthwork and so on and so forth. Ngoba i-construction kumele iqale immediately. Khona la kulo mgwaqo lo useBilusha Road nawaJob Morrison Spa kukhona i-construction that is taking place khona la eHluhluwe. Lezi itoro lezi ezabantu bokufika ezikwakhiwa i-mixed use, but esinye seyitolo leso kuthiwa i-home hyper noma hyper home esizokakhiwa laphaya kuleya ndawo ezansi lena u-Allen Butchery clearing nakhona kunesakhiwo esihle abazosenza lapha esi-commercial. Ngifuna ukuyibeka lapho mayelana nezakhiwo ze-development. Ngifuna ukuthi quickly ngirane kafushane into ye-operation. La ngaphakathi sine-plant okungaba yi-grader, i-truck, i-TLB. We are also doing into yemgwaqo. Ngizo-highlight nje imigwaqo embalwa. Bese before I-highlight imigwaqo ngisho ukuthi kunzima ukukhanda umgwaqo we-gravel. Ngoba i-gravel ufike ugrade namhlanje in 2-3 days time uqhamuke imvula bese abantu akwazi ukwenza. Kodwa nevertheless sine-program yethu esiyirana khona maintaining our own roads as well as kune-program lapho esihirisha khona i-plant. Last year we spent 1.5 million ngokuhirisha kwe-plant. This year budget yethu ina 2.5 million ngoba mohirisha i-plant iza nakho konke kuba ama-trucks, i-TLB, i-grader, i-roller konke. So umgwaqo babewenza in 3 days bezindawo enkulu ngabo ehlawumbisela mhlambe 9-10 kilometers depending isimo sendawo. Imigwaqo sesiyisebenzile so far that we are happy ngayo and progress. Ukhona umgwaqo ose Ward 11 ekwaleni shoda speaker oyikweleni ezika speaker ngoba umyazwayo lo mgwaqo lo. So bese kuba neminye imigwaqo eyenziwe njengase Ward 9 nakhona kune progress enhle kakhulu eFathi laphaya. Imigwaqo khona is 9 kilometers. We have a good progress. Ward 14 nakhona there is that progress that we are grateful ngayo and we are proud ngayo ukuthi kunomsebenzi omuhle ohamba ngaleyo ndlela. Mningi imigwaqo asigcinile lapho ama-community hall and community asset siyawenza, siya-maintaining ama-hall. Ngabala nje impembeni, ngibala ebayini, ngibala emganwini kanjalo nakuzo zonke iy'ndawo komakhasa ziningi indawo. We are also busy with that because any challenge ukwakha nje unga-maintain. I think umsebenzi ebengithi ngizowenza without mentioning ama-halls in details, without mentioning imigwaqo in details, kodwa sesiwenzile 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 yonke le mgwaqo siyigreyidile sayenza sayi-upgrade sayilungisa siyaqhubeka-ke ne-progress angisho ukuthi semningi imigwaqo eminye esele ngoba ewadini ngayinye besisebenza mhlambe 3 to 4 days kodwa-ke besikwenza lokubonakala. Unfortunately sikhuluma nge-gravel road. Ileyo-ke i-presentation yami briefly the long and the short yayo engifisa ukuyethula namhlanje. Ngiyathola.
Mbukeli ke sesimzwile ke uMashobane siyafisa nje ukuthi enkulumeni ke ekhethekile la sibe nengxoxo khona eqhubeke ke esitshele ikakhulukazi okuyikhona okholele ekuthenini ke abize isithangami nabezindaba ukuzohlahla lolu daba.
Inhloso yalesithangami namhlanje eBig 5 Hlabisa ukuba sithule ireport. Sibikele umphakathi wakithi eBig 5 Hlabisa ukuthi sukela ngonyaka odlule uqala uze kuyoba manje ikuphi esikwenzile. What we are presenting la si presenta ama success, si presente ama challenges as well as ama project esithi akwi pipeline. Ilele zinto kade siyivezela abantu bakithi ukwenza isibonelo besisho ama project okuyiwona esesiwaqalile aphela sisho ama project under construction sisho ama project esithi ke iwona esizowenza kulonyaka weimali. So the purpose kakhulukazi it was to brief umphakathi siubeke esithombeni nge-progress report ethinta i-service delivery yethu. In fact, yes, we are very proud as a Big 5 Hlabisa ukuba stable. Stable ekuphathweni komkhandlu ngokusebenzisana namakhansela. Stable financial, yes, asiyena umasipala omkhulu, so umasipala omncane, but financially we are stable. Ngikhuluma nawe nje abanye oza kwethu they are bankrupt, but we are doing our level best ukuba simanage imali ngokuthembeka nangokukhulu uzimisela for umphakathi wakithi. Ngikhuluma nawe nje umkhandlu wethu has obtained and maintained unqualified audit opinion from the AG since 2016. This year we are expecting ukuthola opinion engconywana, meaning the unqualified with no matters, lokho abakubiza nge-clean audit, because we are working very hard ne-management yethu as well as ama-councillors. Umkhandlu wethu impela is very stable.
Mzwa kwethu ke kuyekuthiwa kungapheli kuyahlola siqhubekisa njalo uhlelo besithi abakhulume seBig 5 Hlabisa. Igama lami nguphiwe ngwakwamthembu uncedinyoni incane yasha amaphiko yandiza. Ngivumeleni ngiguqe esiquqeni sonke siyothi sukuma kube kusulizayo inkosi inibusise.